Hey guys, how are you? It is Crafting with Sam here. I am actually gonna turn it around that way. Actually, no, I'll leave it that way. So this is how big that one I got today in the dragon, or what is it called again? I just had the sticker. Where is it? Okay, now that's just weird. I literally just had that sticker. But anyways, it is called Firefly Fireworks. That's what it's called, sorry. So that's how big it is. It's really huge. And like I said, all the ABs. I'll even show you that. I'll turn. So the ABs are right here in number 1. And that's like all in the fireworks. And all right here. And the outline of the jar. All ABs, but it's such a beautiful painting. I really love it. So I hope you guys like this video. I will be back with more soon, I hope. But I'm very impressed with everything that I've gotten. This one was actually a pre-order, by the way. I had to wait for a little bit, but not too bad. They got it back in stock on May 15th, and they shipped it last week. And, yeah. But it does have, like I said, it has a lot of color blocking. Like, all right in here, and then a little bit on the dragon. So I'm definitely going to be for sure taking my time with this one, but boy, oh boy, what did I get myself into, huh? Alrighty guys, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are interested in any of the 3 kits that I seen, I think this one is sold out again, because it said pre-order again. But if you like any of his other stuff, like I said, go check out Diamond Art Club. They're really well worth it. So I hope everyone is staying safe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with more. Bye guys.